guys, we are me time, you time, us time! For today's video, we are going to make egg sandwich and our ingredients are 2 boiled eggs
Dairy cream, mayonnaise,
and of course, tasty bread from Pinoy Tasty. First, we are going to boil these 2 eggs. And then, after that, we are going to remove the shells. Siyempre, kailangan nating tanggalin yung shell, diba? Nikos and Macy will going to crush the egg.
Teka kasi natin.
Okay.
Ewa,
Crush the egg. Crush the egg carefully.
Ang hirap.
Dahan-dahan. Careful.
Tumate.
Careful lang.
Isang pa rin.
Careful lang.
Sabay-sabay pa. Oh my God. So hard. Man, it's good. Kakainin ko na to. Kainin ko na to. Ay, sarap. Yay! Tapos na! We're done!
After that, we're going to put 3 to 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Si Mikos muna. Mikos first.
Huwag madami.
1. Wait. 2. Another 1. 3. Mix it well.
My turn!
Oh, wait.
No! You're so alive! So what?
Dahan-dahan lang. Careful lang, ha?
Tiyang!
Dahan-dahan lang. Ano lang, dahan-dahan lang. Para hindi matapon.
Yeah, yeah. Eggs, come on.
While mixing the egg and the mayonnaise, I will remove the side of the bread.
I'm done. I'm done. Look at them done.
But children, if you want to use the knife, always remember to ask the guidance of your parents first. Okay?
Mix. 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 Mix it. Mix it.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, oh, oh.
Eggs done.
Wait.
Like this. Yeah. Dairy cream.
And then, I will put dairy cream into the bread.
Kadiri, nilagyan pa ng ganyan. Mamadali. Yun.
And then, we're going to put the mixed egg and mayo into the bread. Okay?
Nagagawa pa tayo madami? Oh my God, this will be super sarap. Nagagawa pa tayo madami? Yes!
Ang tanggalin yung side.
Ba't ganito ang unti? Ang unti na. Ako na hindi ko, sasaidin ko to. Ako na. Sasaidin ko to. Ano, pwede akong kumuha ng akin? Kumuha? Sasaidin ko yung akin. Ako na. Yung sides. Marami naman nito.
A few moments later.
Alright, we're done. Gumawa kami ng dalawang version ng egg sandwich. Yung isa, walang side. Tinanggal namin yung side. And yung isa, merong side. Tikim na. Taste it. What? Can you say? Sarap? Yummy? Really? Kainin mo. Kumain ka. Ako din?
Nilasang parang cheese.
Ang sarap. Sarap. Tingnan mo.
Nilasang parang parang yung sa tinapay. Kung anong ano. Kaya dalawa na lang.
That's it for this video. And see you to our next video. Bye!
Hi po! Abangan niyo po yung aming next video. At huwag niyo po kakalimutan na mag-subscribe at mag-like sa aming channel. Bye! Turn me, bring me yung food.
Practice, tingin kayo sa camera ha. Ito yung camera oh. Ito yung camera ha.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Ano nga?
Hi guys!
Are you getting?
Ulit. Teka.
Game na? Hi guys! We are me time. Ay,
We are...
we are. Kayo ah.
Wait.
Hi guys! We are me time.
We are me time? Oo!
Oo nga, we are me time.
Oo nga!
Hiling ka nga, hiling nga, di ba?
Gaganyan
Hiling, di ba?
ka! Naku!
Time.
Mama,
Pakinggan mo.
sabihin muna. Hi guys!
Okay.
Itong camera ha. Doon kayo titingin lagi.
Hi guys!
Masarap ba?
Ba?
Sabi mo, masarap.
Sarap! Sarap!
Masarap ba?
Okay.
Gusto ko pa? Gawa nga pa.
Are you sure about that?
I
Yes!
am. Sarap eh.
Because your tummy is too big to eat more! Okay, cool pa tayo!
Ito kainin mo.
Kasi sumakang ko nito. Ay, naman siya din.
Konti lang. Diyan na, ito na. Wait.
Hello po. Abangan niyo po ulit yung aming next video. Make sure to subscribe. Turn me, bring me money. Turn me, bring me money.